Hi everybody, it is the end of summer, or getting close to the end of summer, even though we're probably not very happy about it. And one of the things that happens here at the Bruce Company Garden Center at the end of summer is that we start discounting our floor model furniture sets. And we've been sharing some videos featuring some of the things that we have on sale, and we have been sharing some stuff about like deep seating, and this is a dining option, which
Yes.
we have both all kinds of options here. And so Mary Beth is going to tell us a little bit about this Homecrest dining set.
Okay, so this Homecrest table is actually called Shadow Rock. It has that look of a flamed granite. It has that rough edge that's kind of cool.
They call that a
live edge. Yeah. In rock, it's called flamed because they actually use heat to chip it off.
Oh, nice.
So the color on this is called Midnight, and it's got even this really interesting texture on the face of it. The size on this table is a 42 by 62, and we have the framework here is called, it's Storm is the color of the framework on
I
here.
think you could sit 6 people at this
Definitely,
table.
6
two on either
easy.
side and then 1 on each end. So it's a really good size.
And then along with the seating, or is the seating that goes with it. This is from the Sutton collection in Homecrest, which has been around for a while. It's a low back dining chair that's got a sling on it. The sling color is called Gravel. One of the reasons why we're letting this one go is the Gravel is a discontinued sling. So that's why we can't get any more of it, but you could order another piece if you needed something for the end in a color that might complement. So you can still add to this piece. And it's great because these chairs have a weight to them. So if you've ever had an aluminum chair that's a little bit lighter, when it's windy, it kind of scoots around. This will not scoot. It's going to stay put.
Excellent. Excellent. And so what's the price on this?
Okay, so retail price, if you were to pay full price on this, $6,961 for the 5 pieces, and with the 40% discount, $4,176.60.
And the nice thing about this is that you could definitely have a cover, but you wouldn't have to cover this table.
You wouldn't have to.
This
no.
is all stuff that's perfectly fine to be outside.
It
Do
is.
these chairs stack?
They don't stack, but again, they're heavy enough, and you could cover it. It's pretty easy to clean up if it does, if you do leave it out, you know, and springtime comes, a little bit of, you know, Dawn and maybe a smidge of bleach.
A soft brush.
Soft brush, hose it down. And this does have an umbrella hole, by the way, too. So if you want an umbrella, you have the resource to put your umbrella in.
It's always good to have options. So you could come into the store and pick up this set and take this home in time for a, I don't know, a fall dinner party, or a little barbecue on Labor Day. We also have some summer tabletop that is also on sale, 25% off. So there's some odds and ends. Melamine, so super durable for outside, and then these vinyl placemats. So you can stop in, see what else we have on sale, what other dining sets we have on sale. Just stop in, and Mary Beth or Rachel or Alyssa would be happy to show you what we have. You always do have the option of doing a new special order, but of course you would not get the sale price on the new special orders. So stop in, pay us a little visit, and we'd be delighted to help you pick something out to take home, just ready to spend the late summer and early fall outside. So happy late summer from all of us here at the Bruce Company.